Hey folks, TriceAuctions.com, BidTrice.com here. We got a Dixie chopper XK2503 quad loop 50-inch cut mower. It's got the super swampers on the rear, cattle guard on the front. This puppy's ready to cut in a hayfield. Here we go. We got a Kawasaki 25 horse mower or motor engine, whatever you want to call it. The throttle cable seems to be broken here. No way to turn it down, but everything else appears to work on it. I'll go ahead and give the PTO a shot here so you can see the blades spin up. I'll do a forwards, backwards, spin around both ways. So let's give it a kick. This is the world's fastest mower. All right, here we go. One-handed zero turn, fucking riding. Forwards, backwards, loop. Loop back the other way. All right, let's go test the PTO, man. She's a bumping Bronco too. If you go forwards and backwards quick. All right, here we go, PTO. See, she's good. So the other thing, obviously I got a little jump pack over here. Did have to jump start it, but once you put the jump box on it, you start it right up. The battery probably just needs a good charging. Again, Dixie chopper XK5203 quad loop mower. We're going to be selling our November 7th auction. It starts around 6 p.m. Lot 6060. All right, folks. Till next time. Thank you very much and have a good one.